Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. You're in the right place if you're a Chevrolet Suburban owner or a DIY enthusiast. In today's video, we're diving into the Fusebox diagram for the Chevrolet Suburban models from 2007 to 2014. This guide will help you locate, identify, and troubleshoot any electrical issues you might be facing with your car. So, whether you're a pro or a beginner, stick around, this one's for you. And that's it for today's guide on the Skoda Octavia 2007 to 2014 Fusebox diagram. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the fuse locations, what each fuse controls, and how to troubleshoot common electrical issues. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Chevrolet DIYs and car maintenance tips. Do you have any questions, or have you encountered any fuse-related issues in your Chevrolet Suburban? Comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.